gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Xiaomi 14 Ultra just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate 2K AMOLED display, 50 megapixel flagship quad camera setup, flagship processor, huge battery, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. The box comes in black color with the branding of the phone and Leica branding on the top, and at the bottom, there's the Xiaomi HyperOS branding. We remove the plastic and open the lid of the box. Inside, there's a cardboard box, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra phone. The phone feels a bit heavy, and the packaging inside the box is mostly made of paper, with no plastic used. In this cardboard box, you'll find a clear case, the user manual, SIM tool. This is a 90W power adapter that comes with a Type A output. Friends, please do let me know in the comments how many watts charger you have with your phone. Lastly, there's a Type-C to a cable included. The Xiaomi 14 series is globally launching on the 25th of February. I've already uploaded a detailed review video of the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro. You can find the link in the description below or in the card above. Be sure to check it out. We remove the plastic from the phone and start talking about the design and build. When we look at the screen, we notice some differences compared to the previous generation. The screen has micro curves on all four sides, unlike the hyperboloid design used in the previous generation. There's a default screen guard on the screen itself, and the punch hole for the selfie camera is centered. Turning the phone around, we see it comes in dragon crystal blue color. Color is like a Xiaomi SU7 car, and when you touch the back of the phone, it feels like ceramic, but it's actually glass. The back has a glossy finish, and you can notice different shapes on the glass back. You can see the connection between the frame and the back, and the glass has a slight curve to it. There are various curved shapes on the back, giving it a complex design. Moving to the second part of the design, you'll notice a large camera module. The camera module appears quite large and protruding. Due to light reflections, you can see all four camera lenses, indicating a quad camera setup. In the middle, there's the Leica logo, while at the bottom area, you'll find the flashlight and sensor. The aperture of the lens is also mentioned. Looking at it from the side, you can notice a decorative ring around the camera module. Towards the bottom, it's silver, then gold on top of it, and further, there are black textures. The camera module is also quite large, adding to the phone's distinctive look. Examining the frame, you'll notice a combination of flat and curved surfaces, providing a unique feel. The sides offer a mix of flat and curved sections, which should make holding the phone comfortable. Towards the top, it's flat. Looking at the placements, on the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and power button. At the bottom, there's the speaker grill, Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM tray. The tray accommodates dual SIM slots and features a rubber ring for waterproofing. The phone weighs around 231 grams, which is quite heavy, similar to the previous generation. Please let me know in the comments how you like the design of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. You can also compare the designs of Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Xiaomi 13 Ultra. When you look at the screen of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, you'll notice almost uniform and slim bezels, giving a high screen-to-body ratio. The display is a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 2K. Here, you can also compare it with the S24 Ultra. In this video, I was only going to share the unboxing and first impressions. I will be releasing a detailed review video where I'll conduct camera tests, performance tests, and battery tests. So, stay connected with our channel. Friends, please let me know your thoughts on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in the comment section below. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Think about others way before myself.